Welcome to this quick overview of how to run reports in the Clarity admin platform. From the main navigation menu, select Reports to access the reporting dashboard. This area allows you to run, save, and schedule reports based on your organization's needs. On the Reports page, you will see several helpful sections, including your favorite reports, recently run reports, and scheduled reports that are set to run automatically. Once you select a category, choose the specific report you would like to run. After selecting the report, the Configure Report panel will appear. Here, you can customize the report settings before generating the file. Depending on the report type, you may have options to select a plan year, filter by employee status, choose specific date ranges, include or exclude optional fields, and determine how the data should be sorted. Some reports also allow you to mask sensitive information or select a preferred file format such as Excel or CSV. Once your report settings are complete, you can choose to run the report immediately or schedule it for a later time. If you would like to use the same report settings again in the future, select the option to save the report as a favorite. This makes it easier to quickly access commonly used reports. To schedule a report, choose the frequency and delivery preferences. Scheduled reports will appear in the Up Next section of the dashboard. Previously generated reports can be found under My Last Runs, allowing you to quickly access recent reporting activity. To run the report immediately, select the Run Report option. The system will begin generating the report using the selected criteria. Depending on the size of the report, processing time may vary. Once the report is complete, the file will download to your device. You can then open the report in Excel to review, sort, filter, or share the information as needed. This concludes the overview of running reports in the Clarity Employer Portal.